Hi, my name is Sandra Tovar, and today I will be explaining my three parts to my nomenclature test. So for part A, it's asking show that the compound's name matches its chemical formula. So they gave us aluminum nitride equals Al parentheses NO2 parentheses 3. Well, if we take a look at the periodic table, aluminum is Al with the positive 3 charge, and nitride is actually located on the polyatomic ions chart, and it's right here. And that says it's NO2 with the negative 1 charge. As demonstrated here, Al with the positive 3 charge and NO2 with the negative charge. We want to actually switch these around and drop the positives and negatives, and it will look like this. Al1, NO2, 3. Well, we really can't simplify 1 nor 3, so it would stay the same and move down like this. Al, NO2, parentheses 3. The 1, it's not here because we really don't need the 1. And the NO2, it's in parentheses. Next to that, it's 3. These are in parentheses to basically separate this one from this one. So our answer would be Al parentheses NO2 parentheses 3. The 2 comes with the name, so nothing could be changed to that. So this is how to prove that this name matches this formula. No, this name matches this formula as proven below. For part B, it says identify the error in the formula of the compound, then provide the correct formula for that compound. So for my compound, I put silver hydroxide, and according to that, it gives us Ag2OH. Well, if we take a look at the periodic table, silver is Ag with the positive 1 charge, and hydroxide, it's on the polyatomic ions, and that it's right here, and it's OH with the negative 1 charge. As proven here, Ag with the positive 1, OH with a negative 1. We want to switch these around as well, drop the negatives and the positives, so it would look like this. Ag1, OH1. So we know 1 and 1 can cancel out because it's a positive and a negative. Those would cancel out, and it will look something like this, AgOH. This is correct because we canceled these out, so nothing would be behind nor front of these. This is wrong because this is telling you that Ag has a positive 2 charge and OH, and we know that Ag has a 1 charge. For part C, it says identify the error in the name, then provide the correct name for that compound. So we have Ag2O equals silver parentheses 2 parentheses oxide. Well, if we know that Ag, looking at the periodic table, it is a transition metal, and oxygen is right here, and that it's a non-metal. So a metal plus anything else would be ionic. So now we're trying to look for the name of Ag, and that is silver, and then the name for O, that would be oxygen. Silver. Bring that down. The first name would never change. For oxygen, we want to change the YGN to ide, so it would be ide, oxide. So we know Ag has a positive 1 charge. The name is telling us that silver, which is Ag, has a positive 2 charge. And we know that's automatically wrong because according to the periodic table, Ag has a positive 1 charge. So we already knew since from the beginning that this was wrong because of this 1 Roman numeral. So this says that silver has 2 charge, and we know that Ag only has 1. So regularly or normally you probably see silver parentheses 1 oxide, but you could also write it as silver oxide, just like that. So we knew this was wrong, and this is the correct one. Thank you.